Welcome back, people. I'm not sure if you heard me face palming myself from that last video when the epoxy battery gave out right on the pop shot. But if you're joining me now and thinking what the hell's going on, I am trying to fit a sun visor which isn't big enough for the window because they didn't give me enough spare vinyl. Right, 119, so 120, so that's 60, 59-ish, 59-ish, 59-ish. Looking for the middle. Oh, will you just stay the hell still? Right, 59-ish. There. Kind of deal. And we're saying, oh god, it's not very big, is it? It's quite a small sunstrip. Saying 6.5 is there. We're saying 6. Oh, we're right on the bloody line. So 6.5's there. I've obviously got one side lower than the other, one hung low. Indeed. So, my goodness. I think we need to be doing about 4 or 5 measures on this before I start slicing. Right. Middle. I may even just lay a piece of tape on this. So, in order to get that to go all the way over there, it's going to be very, very thin in the center unless we cut it with a curve. Let's lay a bit of tape on there. This isn't one you can freehand. You need to be on the ball with these when you cut. Well, saying that, you can freehand anything if you've got a steady hand. Right. That is absolutely rubbish. That's got a curve in it. And that's just come off the glass. This could be one of those days where I just abandon the video. Right. Oh, film's still wet. Right, what are we saying then? Let's have a look. Last letter is just under 6.5. First letter is 6 1/4. So 6 1/4. I've got a kick there and I can't get rid of it. Yeah, alright, that's not a very good line. Right, what we got here? 6 1/4 to the top of it. Just over 6 1/4. 6 1/4 to the top of it. So we kind of got it. Well, actually, it ain't too bad as it is, really. Just looks a bit wonky there, that's all. It just looks like it's had a bit of a fallout from there where I heated it up to get it in the corner. It's kind of fallen out a bit. What does that look like? He says, yeah, I think really that'll bring it back in. So I'm just gonna set this up here. It's not gonna be very good. It needs freehanding. Right, let's just hold your breath. And oh, this is a shitty knife that the blade wobbles from side to side in. You gotta be so precise on these. I'm still a bit out. But who's gonna notice? Apart from all 20 of you lot who view this, if I leave it up for long enough. Huh. 20. I'm getting a bit too big for me boots there. Okay, all 7 of you. There, is that better? Right, so no need for you to see me playing around with a bit of tape. Basically, that's it. Let's get that in there. Now, to demonstrate that it's okay and it's not a cock-up, I need to put the window rubber back on it. The window rubber's brand new. And playing me up. Right, water, water, water. 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 Any more water? I can see a bit there. I can see a bit there, look. I don't want to come out. And there's a bit there. That came out. Where'd that other one go? Right, that'll do. Let's just rush this and make a complete cock up of it to give you lots something to chuckle about. Right, oh, we're ready now. There's a seam in these. So we'll put the seam at the bottom. Right, by the XXX sign. You want to put the right part of the rubber on the glass, you concubine. Right. Come here. This is not the easiest rubber to put on. Right, that stays there. I've got to hurry up now because I don't know about the battery I'm using. I don't know how good it is. It could well just conk out on me. Right on the pop shot again. Wouldn't that be lovely? Oi! No, we don't need you anyway. Go down there. I hope this cushion's clean, otherwise it's scratching the inside of my film. Right. Now this sunstrip is soaking wet still. So I shouldn't really be putting this on yet. Well, let's just live dangerously, huh? Right. Okie dokie, in you go. Go on. This old school glass is really sharp on the edges. Start floating around. Oh. Everybody wants to see the end. They don't want to see this bit. They want to see the cock up at the top here. Where the bloody sticker's not long enough. rubber's going to keep popping off. Well, people, it's all in there. It's all in there. It's hooked up. Uptight, out of sight, and in the groove, as they say. Let's add a bit of... Oh! Rushing it. Right. No, just sit on there. That's all you got to do. I'd pop you in the car, but the car's not here. So I'll pop you on. Oops. And you can stay down there, you lot. I just used the most expensive glass holder ever devised. Step back over the damaged shrapnel and everything, and there you go. Done it before the battery ran out. So yeah, one external fitted sunstrip. Whew, I think it's time for a beer. Cheerio out.